Today we are going to revise the lines then curves group of the capital letters. So make sure you're sitting comfortably. You've pushed your paper to the right or the left depending on if you're right-handed or left-handed. Let's pick our pencil up and tip it back. Pillow fingers under. Okay, and we're nice and comfortable. So the first letter we're going to look at is D. Shall we just remind ourselves of the rhyme for D? So we always start at the top for capital letters. We always start at the brave monkey branch, the top branch. Down, bump, pen off, push over, pull in along the ground. Down, bump, push over, pull in along the ground. So let's do it together. Are you ready? Down, bump, pen off, push over, pull in along the ground. How does yours look? Does it look like mine? If it does, give yourself a turtle tick. Is that pillow finger in the right place underneath your pen? Good. Give yourself a monkey smile. Let's do two more. Down, bump, push over, pull in along the ground. Down, bump, push over, pull in along the ground. How do yours look? If they look like mine, you can carry on to the next letter. If you think, oh, I need a bit more practice, just pause the video now and do 3 more by the tree. Now let's do the letter P, which is very similar, but we pull in at Skip the Scared Monkey's branch, don't we? Like this. So we go down, bump, push over, pull into Skip's branch. Down, bump, pull into Skip's branch. Now you have to remember that the P looks like this when it's a capital, but when it's not a capital, the tail goes under the line, doesn't it? The down bump goes down and down. So it only looks like this when it's a capital. Ready to do it together? Down, bump, push over, pull into Skip's branch. And again, down, bump, push over, pull into Skip's branch. Down, bump, push over, pull into Skip's branch. Pillow finger, yes. Do your P's look like mine? Are they standing on the ground? Good. Give yourself a turtle tick. The next one we're going to revise is the B. Very similar to the P, but we have to do another push and pull. Ready? So we go down, bump, push over, pull in, push over, pull in. Are you ready? Down, bump, push over, pull in, push over, pull in. And another one. Down, bump, push over, pull in, push over, pull in. Down, bump, push over, pull in, push over, pull in. Now, if you think I'm going a little bit too fast, don't worry, you can always go back to last week when I was doing these much more slowly and step by step, okay? So if this is fine for you, just keep going. If you need to take it a bit more steady, go back to last week's and the week before when we take it nice and slowly, okay? Let's do our next one, which is R. So we have the same shape as B to start off with. Down, bump, push over, pull in to Skip's branch, and then we have a slide down. Okay, let's do the rhyme together. Down, bump, push over, pull in, slide down. Again, down, bump, push over, pull in, slide down. Ready to do it together? Down, bump, push over, pull in, slide down. Down, bump, push over, pull in, slide down. Down, bump, push over, pull in, slide down. How do yours look? They look like mine. Give yourself a turtle tick. Is that pillow finger still under? Yes, monkey smile. Okay, 2 more to do. We're going to do the letter J now. Here's the rhyme for the J. Down and pull back, pen off, push a top line across. Down and pull back, push a top line across. Are we ready? Down and pull back, push a top line across. Down and pull back, push a top line across. Down and pull back, push a top line across. Okay, now I'm going to go a little bit more slowly on the last letter. We're going to do the letter U, and this is what it looks like. Down, push along the ground, up. When it's a capital U, it doesn't have the little down bump and flick like this. It doesn't go down bump flick. We only use that in the middle of words, okay, or the middle of a sentence, never for a capital. Can you see the difference? So for capital U, we go down, push along, up, stop. Okay, you try. Down, push along, up, and stop. Good. All right, it's tricky. You've got to try and remember which one's which. Just the down and the up when it's a capital U, but it has the down bump and flick when it's in the middle of a sentence or in the middle of a word. Okay, well done, year one.